Hi everybody, this is Peggy St. Peters and I am just going to give you an update on what's happening here at my home renovation. I have, as you can see behind me, the granite is in, black in the back, and this gorgeous piece of stone here on the island. It's just really starting to take shape. I'll have to show you the bathroom in a minute, but let me just show you now. I'm driving myself crazy with paint. I am trying to find a neutral, and it's, you know, the paint doesn't look anything on the wall like what it looks like in the can, and you're like, come on. So here's my two front runners. Believe it or not, and if you know these, they're really light, but they don't look light here. That's shoji white, and this one, I don't remember the name of it. Pearl white. Shoji white and pearl white. So here they are. Here, those are my driving myself nuts. The shoji has just a little more of the mud color, which I know that's not a pretty description, but you know, it's more of that greigey thing. Whereas pearl white, it almost feels a little blue silver to me, and very pretty. Obviously, I might pick it, but it is like you're committed to the gray, which I don't know, maybe that's okay. We're trying to decide. So let me know what you think. The one on the top is shoji, and this gray here is the pearl white. We've knocked out the other two. They look really pretty on that wall, but I'm taking them to other walls with different light, and they're not as pretty. See, we're going crazy all through. So that one is shoji, and this is the pearl. So see on this, I don't know if you can tell, but on this wall, you can see the pearl really has a little bit of a gray tint. And here, I guess I should have opened the blinds first, but look behind me. How pretty is that? Granite. And so that's our progress here. We're pretty happy with it. And there's my tile on the floor. Gonna be awesome. And I'll keep you posted with the other tile choices we're getting ready to do. We got to make the decision about the paint and some lights. So until next time, thanks for watching. This is Peggy.